Alright, starting with problem number 7, the similarity ratio of EFGH to ABCD, and it's going to be 18 over 15. Which is going to be, let's see, 3, that's going to be 6 over 5. Okay, going to number 8. If DF is 18, okay, let's read this first. So triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI. The similarity ratio of DEF to GHI is 9 over 4. Alright, the similarity ratio is 9 over 4. Therefore, the scale factor, is 4 over 9. So if DF is 18, find GI. Well, all we would do is take 18 and multiply it by the scale factor of 4/9. So remember, this is the same as 18 over 1 times 4 over 9. Okay? So I've got 4 times 18, which is 72. And over 9. And 72 divided by 9 is 8. So the length of that is 8 for number 8. Okay. GH is 7. Find DE. GH is 7. Find DE. Well, what we're going to do then is we're going to go 7. Now the scale factor going the opposite direction. So remember, this scale factor 4/9 is going from larger to smaller. Now if I'm going the opposite direction, that means my scale factor, so going right to left, my scale factor will be 9/4. So I'm simply going to take 7 and multiply that by 9/4. So that's 7 over 1 times 9 over 4. So here we have 63 over 4. 63 over 4. That could be the answer right there, or if you wanted to do this in mixed number, we would get 15 3/4. Okay, so that's number 9. And then we're supposed to find the ratio of GI to DF. GI to DF. Well, we know GI is 8. So here we have 8 over 18. Which this becomes 4/9 for number 10. Okay. Alright. Following questions refer to a map of planet Mars in which 1 inch equals 275 miles. If Marsport and the Bay of Illusions are 438 miles apart, how far apart are they on the map? So what we can do is we can make a ratio. So we can say that that 275 is to 1 as 438 is to x. Now we're going to cross multiply, so we're going to go 275 times x is equal to 1 times 438. This leads us to 275x equals 438. And now what we're going to do is divide both sides of the equation by 275. So x is equal, let's see, so we just go 438. 38 divided by 275, and we wind up with approximately 1.59 inches. .59 inches. Okay, and that's the answer for number 11. And then number 12, if Marsport and Asimov City are 16.1 inches apart on the map, what is the actual distance? So we can use that again. We could say that 275 miles per 1 inch is equal to x number of miles for 16.1 inches. And again, we're going to cross multiply, so we would go 1 times x is equal to 275 times 16.1. So therefore, x equals 4,427.27